Okay, so I'm going to install this traction bar. I just had to put it together because I bought it and it didn't come bolted to this bar right there. So I bought these big bolts so I can put it on. So right now I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take this stock one off, and then we're gonna see how massive that shit is compared to this one. So yeah. Okay, so to take this off, there's two bolts right here. Took them off, and these two right here, these are 17s and these are 17s. So just take them off, and when you put them back, it's the same way. These two, you can use these two right here, the stock ones, and you can use the stock ones over here. So it's gonna be 2, 4 on each side, and yeah. Okay, so here's both of them. I ended up cutting this because the turbo wouldn't fit, it was hitting, and the return line for the oil was on the way. So the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna measure from this bolt to this first bolt over here, and the same on this one to here to here. It's just gonna be difficult because of the angle and everything. I don't know how to do it actually, so hopefully I don't fuck it up. Okay, so the way I'm doing it, I'm going to line up the holes through here, and they are pretty close. Same over here. So I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, so here it is. There's the front ones, the two ones right here. This one's difficult to get to, but if you put this back one right here after and do this one first, you can get it through the back. Just make sure the hole for this one is aligned. So when this one's tight, then this one's aligned, so you can put the bolt in there. So that's it. I'm gonna take a look from the top. Okay, so this is how it looks. Can barely even see it. So yeah, that's it for this traction bar thingy. Can't even see it under it. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.